Oh, hey there, guys. You finished your snow globe. Helpie, did you make that little helpy hand all by yourself? No? Did Chicken help you? You did? Chicken, good girl. Nice work. Did Helpie do anything to help you make that little chicken? No? No? You did it all by yourself? You helped her, didn't you, Helpie? You help everyone. You're a good little helper hand. Think Mommy's gonna like it? I think she's gonna like it too. I hope it doesn't break in the mail though. No, you glued it really well? Okay. Well, let's seal it up and ship it off. Okay. Say Merry Christmas to Mommy.